Our world is changing. It's a world where demand rises as rapidly as the population, where there's more focus on our planet, where our resources need to go further than ever before, and there's no place for waste, where supply chains become a critical part of our ecosystem. So, what would it mean if we could help make all of the world's supply chains more efficient? At CHEP, we have one of the most unique and powerful business models in the world. And with it, we help our customers to move more goods to more places, more efficiently and more sustainably than anyone else in the world. It's a model that's built around the principle of sharing. Sharing networks, platforms and knowledge to allow our customers to do more with less. More efficiency, less risk. More sharing, less cost. More simplicity, less complexity. More sustainability, less waste. Because finding new ways to make the world's supply chains more efficient is not only better for business, it's better for our planet.